In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can implement this type of interactive hero section and more on your WordPress website using Claude code. All right, so let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do is head over to this website right here, which is 21st Dev. So I'm just going to type this in my Google and you see the first result, 21st.dev. Let's head over to this website. And over here on this website, you would see a whole lot of templates for sections, hero sections, every kind of website components are basically here. So we have some group of developers that has worked on these website elements or components, so to speak, and you can easily just use their code and use them on your website. So basically we are going to be using this website to create that effect we saw earlier. All right, so if I head over to components here, now you can see over here there are different kind of components that you can basically embed or fix into your website. Now the main takeaway for this tutorial is just so you can use this as a template to basically implement any of these components on your website. So this is the one we are going to be working with, and with the basic principles that you will learn right here, you can basically use it to implement any other hero section. Now this is an hero section, and if I click on hero sections, you can see we have different styles of hero sections on this website. So, and these are sections that you can implement on your WordPress website without having to design them right from scratch. I'm going to show you how you can implement that, and we are going to be using the robot hero section style in this use case. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down and find the robot. All right, so over here is the robot. I'm going to open it up, and you can see this is the robot, and you can see the interaction on the hero section, which looks pretty cool. So wherever my mouse goes to, the robot looks at it. So it just kind of makes your website more interactive. So what we are going to do now is copy this prompt right here. So just copy the prompt. And the next thing you want to do now is head over to Cloud Code. All right, so over here on Cloud Code, and if you're wondering how you can access Cloud Code, just go to your website, type in Claude AI, and you would be on the website. So you can either use the web version or get the app downloaded. So I'm basically using the app right now. So first, we are going to paste this code that we have copied from 21st Dev, and I have a prompt right here that I have set up, and you can see it says how can I implement this pasted hero section with the actual Spline 3D robot on my WordPress website. Now I'm asking this in form of a question because there are different kind of hero section, and Cloud Code will have different ways that it should be implemented on your website. So the same way a particular hero section is implemented might be different depending on the component that a particular hero section has. So that is why I put this in form of a question, and I said replace the text as follows. So I want the heading to say this, the home of machine learning, and then we have a description under the heading, and then a primary button which says get started, and here is a link that I want this primary button to go to, which is the link to a page on my website. So you can just copy the link to a page on your website, and also we have a secondary button and then a link to that page on my website. All right, then I said maintain the font color, which is the color that comes with the hero section we copied, and then the font type is going to be space grotesque. So this is the font I want for my website. This is the font my for my brand, and you can just replace that right here. And by the way, I will make this prompt available in the description of this video. So I also said set to VH, which means it will fill the whole screen. And then I gave it this suggestion to use spline viewer for to display the robot. So depending if you're working on another type of viewer section, you might not have to use this. All right, so let's copy this prompt and head back to Cloud Code and paste it right here. Okay, and now let's send it. All right, so Cloud Code has finished up and it has given a suggestion on how we can implement this on our website. So I'm just going to scroll, and over here in step 2, it says paste the hero code in a custom HTML link, of course. So this is the method we are going to adopt. And if I scroll down, it's asking, wants me to generate the final complete copy paste ready single HTML block. And I'm going to say yes, please. So basically, I just didn't want to go through all this. So it's just telling us how it's going to implement this particular code. And now it's going to generate the code that we're going to copy and paste on our WordPress website. All right, so it's done, and now it has given us the final code that we can use and paste on our WordPress website. Okay, so now I'm going to head over here and click on copy. And now you can see the text right here. It can't display it properly because we don't have a full screen right here. So what you want to do is just click on copy, and let's head back to our WordPress website. So you want to make sure that you have your WordPress website logged in. Now this is my dashboard and I'm going to go to pages. Now I want this on my hero section. All right. So go to pages and I'm going to head over to my home page, which is this one. And you want to click on edit with Elementor. So I'm going to select control and click on edit with Elementor. And this basically opens up the Elementor page for you. All right, so I'm here on my WordPress website, and this is what it currently looks like. And if I open this up, this is what it looks like. So now let's paste this code that we have copied and make it our hero section. And I'm going to click on plus sign, select this, and let's create a section. And first, let's change this to a full width. Now I'm going to head back to Claude Code and make sure that I have copied this code. So copy the code that Claude Code gives you. And let's head back to our website. Now let's click on the plus sign right here and I'm going to search for HTML. Okay, so click and drag this over here. And now over here, we're going to paste this code that Claude has given us, which is this one. And now you can see we have our hero section all well set up. And you can see the guy looks at my mouse as I hover in every direction. So basically that is how you do that. So I'm going to publish this and let's see what it actually looks like on the live website. Okay, so if I click on view, okay, and right here is what it looks like. And you can see he looks at my cursor as I move around him. And these pages are functional. If I click on this button, it takes me to my contacts page right here. So basically, that is how you set up any kind of section on your WordPress website using a combination of 21st Dev website and Claude Code to implement it on your WordPress website. So if I scroll down, this is what the rest of my website looks like. And if you want any color right here, just say to Claude Code and it will implement everything for you over there. All right, so just before I go, I should mention that I am currently working on a full WordPress, a complimentary WordPress course for beginners and those who are looking to extend their knowledge on WordPress. And if you want to be on the wait list for this course, I'll provide a link in the description of this video so you can join the wait list. And once it's out, you'll be one of the first to enroll for this course. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.